really doesn't mean it. You know, he never even knew his father. Don't fall off the wagon.
Oh no, it's blocked.
No, Bruce, focus. Right up. Bruce, mate. It's really. I know it's going.
I need to get that mask.
You want that mask? Okay.
No. Are you
No. Nemo.
There was this mollusk.
Tell us a joke. Oh, I love jokes.
Well, I actually do know one that's pretty good. There was this mollusk, and he walks up to a sea cucumber. Normally they don't talk, sea cucumbers, but in a joke, everyone talks. So the sea mollusk says to the cucumber, Nemo!
Nemo. Nemo. I don't get it. Oh, it's not that funny.
No, he's my son. He was taken by these divers.
Oh, my poor fish.
Humans think they own everything. Probably American. Now there's the father looking for his little boy.
What do these markings mean?
I never knew my father.
Come here, mate.
We gotta find a fish who can read this. Hey, look, shark!
No, Dory!
Guys!
Dory!
That's mine.
Dory! I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're really talking there. Am I bleeding?
Oh.
Dory, are you okay? It's my job! Just a bite! Why are you holding together, mate? Remember, Bruce, fish are friends, not food! I'm having fish tonight! Remember the steps, mate?
There's no way out. There's gotta be a way to escape.
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out.
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.